How to enable ingredients. Now let's see how to add ingredients. Suppose we are going to receive stock. Here we are going to process tea. For that, let us see how to add the ingredients. You all know what are the ingredients required for tea. Sugar, tea powder, and milk are the ingredients required to make tea. Next session, let's see how we can add all these ingredients to the ZK POS machine. For that, click on the Settings menu. Then click on the Add Ingredients menu button. This will bring the Add Ingredients screen. Now I click on Add button to add the ingredients. I need sugar as one of the ingredient. There is an option to add the units in solid, liquid or pack. Here I am selecting solid and kilogram. There is also provision to add ingredients with the help of barcode. This option we had gone through in our last video. Now click on Save button. Now we are going to add another ingredient, milk. Type milk as ingredient name, then select liquid in the units, which will automatically shows in liter. Then click on Save. Now we have added 2 ingredients. Let us add one more ingredient. Let us add tea pack. Now I am entering tea pack as ingredient name. Then selecting the unit as packs. Now click on Save button. Now we can see that 3 ingredients are added: sugar, milk and tea powder. Next, come to the Recipe menu button. Now let's see how you can use ingredients added earlier to prepare a tea in the Recipe section. Click on the Add button in the Recipe section. Then click on the Add button, which will show the item saved in the department. Here we select tea, then click on the green tea button. Here I have enabled only the green tea option. That's why it is showing only that option. Now I am selecting green tea. Then select Add Ingredients button. Thereby we can select all the ingredients required to prepare the green tea. This will show the list of all the ingredients that we have added previously. In order to prepare green tea, we require tea powder and sugar. Now I am selecting sugar and tea powder. After that, we can change the quantity to be used. Here I am entering 2 as the quantity. Click on the plus button and then click the button Add Ingredients to add the next ingredient. In this case, it is the sugar is to be added. Also enter the quantity of the sugar as 1. After completing the process, you will get confirmation message as updated successfully. Now we have added the recipe successfully. The main use of adding the ingredients is that when we prepare tea, we can easily understand that how much amount of sugar and tea powder are used from our stock to prepare the tea. Also, we can receive the products from the ingredients receiving window. Now I am selecting the vendor name, vendor contact, invoice number, then receiving person's name, then click on the Add Item button. As I told earlier, we can use barcode to receive the item. Click on the Add Item and add the barcode and press Enter key. You can see that tea powder is added here. Now you can type the quantity and press the Enter key. This is the process of adding the ingredients and recipe into our ZK POS machine. The main advantage of this is that when a customer order for 1 tea from our hotel, then appropriate amount of the ingredients will get deducted from our stock, which would be easier for stock management on a later stage. Now you will think, how is it possible to view this? For that, click on Reports button, then it will show the menu Ingredient Stock and Ingredients Receiving. To view the report, click on the Ingredient Stock menu button. From there, you can select the ingredients from the list. Note that you can see all the ingredients entered earlier in the system. In this case, I am going to select sugar, then click on the View button. This will show the report of ingredients presently available in stock. This is how we can manage our stock easily in ZK POS machine.